becoming rich.
Welcome back to another shoe unboxing. It's your boy, He Got Shoe Game. You know, we're gonna get into it with this Jordan 9. Dream it, just do it. Or is it just do it, dream it? Who knows? But I got this shoe with a discount for around $150. They came out last year, March 9th, I believe. And I got it because it's a fire shoe. And they restocked, and it was just like an out of nowhere type of thing. So I was just like, you know what? I need it in my collection. It's fire. It's fuego. And the Jordan 9 silhouette looks something like this here. Gotta see the light, yeah. This right here. And just a nice silhouette overall. And we ain't gonna do nothing special for you. You know, we gonna get into it real quick, cause guess what? Box is right here. Oh, gotta get the knife though. You know what I'm saying? Oh. We gonna get into it super fast, cause we ain't slow around here. We get to the money fast. Yeah, you got your Just Do It tape, so you know it came straight from Nike. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm excited. I'm gonna tell you why, cause this shoe matches my outfit, and it's gonna look a little saucy. Got the drip, you know. I just love this. I love it. And it's like a hate and love relationship. Opening a box of Nike with the Just Do It tape. You don't want to like just mess up this tape, man. You really don't. It's just like, bruh. I don't know. You would have to get some shoes from Nike, some Jordans, to just experience the feeling that I get just unboxing a pair of Jordans from a packaging box that has the Nike tape, bruh. It's the best feeling ever. It's such a good feeling, really good feeling. You got your Jordan 9 box here, you know what I'm saying? Label reads 9.5 Air Jordan 9 Retro. Colorway is Black University Red, and retail is $190. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Take a look at that. Yeah. Okay, all right. Let's get on into it. Okay, we got. Oh! Damn! They saucy, man. They fire. Oh man, he's nice. Yeah. What y'all think? Snap. Hey. We ain't playing with them today. We ain't playing with them. Look at the back. Look at the back of that. Pretty dope. You got your 23. Right, look at the different colorway that it has. This is kind of like a nice suede. Man, for getting these for $150 when the original price is $190, sure, it's a steal. Man. Couldn't pass up on it. They sold out instantly right when I got them. You got your leather up top right here. And then you got a white bottom. Midsole is black. Inside has like this texture to it. Almost like a diamond texture. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little dark, you can't really see it. But here it says Dream It, Do It. I don't know if y'all can see that. Dream It, Do It. Yeah. And you can see how good it will look with the fit, you know. But fire, especially in the collection. Like, these were a must-have. I seen them one time before in the store, And ever since then, I did like them. I just never got them. But being able to get these, I'm happy. And definitely gonna keep these. Let's get into it with the on feet. We ain't playing, you know what I'm saying? We got, oh, yeah. Let's get on to